Welcome to Beautyistic. Now, you might be thinking, what's a beauty reviewer doing talking about a massage stool? Well, today's review is about something a little different, but just as important, especially for those of us who work long hours or need that perfect blend of comfort and functionality in a workspace. This is the Master Massage Pneumatic Hydraulic Rolling Massage Stool, and if you're someone who's always on their feet or working in a setting like a spa or tattoo studio, this stool might just be the secret to saving your back while still looking great. So let's dive in. The Master Massage Pneumatic Hydraulic Rolling Stool comes with a ton of adjustable features, starting with the seat height, which ranges from 17.3 inches to 22.8 inches. The backrest can be adjusted from 30 to 35.4 inches, making this stool adaptable to different work environments. One thing that caught my attention right away is the large 15-inch diameter seat. It's cushioned with a 4-inch semi-firm foam system, which gives a solid but comfortable feel. If you've ever had to sit on a hard stool for hours, you know the importance of this. The seat is upholstered in a soft-touch material that's black, sleek, and this is a big plus, water, oil, and abrasion resistant. If you've worked in a tattoo shop or a beauty studio, you'll know how essential it is to have materials that stand up to the wear and tear of your daily work. This stool is made to handle the mess. What I really like about this stool is the versatility. The backrest is removable, allowing you to customize your comfort level depending on the task at hand. Whether you're offering a facial, doing a tattoo, or working at a salon, this flexibility is key. Plus, the 300-pound dynamic load capacity and 550-pound support weight are more than enough for most people. Whether you're a tattoo artist or a beauty professional, this stool has you covered. But how does it actually perform in real life? Well, after using it in a couple of different settings, from beauty appointments to spa sessions, I can confidently say that it's incredibly stable and supportive. The pneumatic height adjustment works smoothly and the stool moves easily on its durable rolling base. Whether you're moving around clients or shifting from one task to the next, it's simple and stress-free. However, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. The larger size of the seat is fantastic for comfort, but it may not be ideal if you're looking for something more compact. This stool takes up a bit of space, so if you're in a smaller treatment room, that's something to keep in mind. Now, in terms of value for money, I think the price is fair, considering the durability and comfort this stool offers. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it's also built to last. With the ability to adjust the height and backrest, along with the sturdy build quality, I'd say it's a solid investment for professionals in need of comfort throughout the day. I've also seen a few other stools on the market that offer similar functionality, but many don't provide the level of versatility or durability that the Master Massage Stool does. While some of the alternatives might come at a lower price point, they often lack the same high-quality features, especially in terms of upholstery and weight capacity. Speaking of durability, this stool is built to last. The water, oil, and abrasion-resistant upholstery will withstand years of use, and I don't expect any issues with the hydraulic system. If you've used cheap stools before, you'll appreciate the sturdiness of this one. Plus, it's lightweight enough to move around easily, but still substantial enough to feel stable. So what's the final verdict? The Master Massage Pneumatic Hydraulic Rolling Massage Stool is definitely worth considering for professionals who need comfort, support, and versatility in a workspace stool. It excels in providing a custom fit from the adjustable backrest to the semi-firm cushioned seat. While it might be a little larger than some other stools, its comfort and durability make it a solid choice. Now, if you're already on the hunt for a similar stool at a lower price point, you could explore some more budget-friendly options. But if you're serious about your comfort, especially in a high-demand job, the investment in this stool will pay off. If this review was helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this stool, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and we'll see you next time on Beautyistic.